And it all begins where nature provides the sweetest gift. These ancient trees carry a legacy of flavor, nurtured carefully throughout the year.
Each cluster is a treasure, sweet, dense, and ready for harvest.
Harvesting dates still demands human skill, strength, and balance. One precise cut frees the weight of an entire season. Every cluster is handled with care from the very first moment. This is the true beginning of the premium date journey. Initial sorting begins right here in the orchard.
Protective nets keep the fruit clean while allowing sunlight to flow.
Uniform spreading ensures every date dries at the same pace. Nature provides the first layer of warmth needed for perfect dehydration.
A transport vehicle collects each harvested batch. Large teams work together to gather thousands of kilos of dates each day. The dates leave the grove and move toward modern processing.
Each crate is unloaded and brought inside for inspection.
Thousands of trays are arranged manually, precision on a massive scale. The journey continues inside a temperature-controlled environment.
Quality checking begins immediately to ensure only the best dates are processed.
Operators monitor every second of the dehydration cycle.
Each date must be positioned perfectly for accurate seed removal.
Only flawless dates are selected for the high-grade line.
Soft pressure protects the delicate fruit while guiding the blade. A trained team confirms that every date is ready for the next stage.
Even drying requires careful turning to achieve the ideal texture.
The dates now carry the rich texture that defines premium quality.
Quality is judged by touch, firm on the outside, creamy within. Electronic eyes take over, scanning every fruit for flaws invisible to the human eye.
From fresh fruit to premium dried dates, the transformation begins now. Inside these chambers, temperature and airflow are perfectly controlled. Each dried date now carries concentrated sweetness. Moisture sensors verify that every batch meets perfect standards.
Warm air removes moisture evenly, achieving ideal density and sweetness.
Once partially dried, the dates enter a controlled environment.
Human eyes still outperform machines in catching the smallest imperfections.
Smart cameras analyze shape, color, and size within milliseconds.
With drying complete, the dates move toward their next transformation.
Different grades follow different paths depending on their future use. This clean, sorted batch now moves toward the most crucial step, drying. The journey continues as freshly harvested dates enter the first stage of preparation.
One precise cut, clean, controlled, and consistent.
Human inspection guarantees the perfection, and machines sometimes miss.
A final rinse ensures nothing remains but pure fruit. Before entering machines, dates begin their transformation under the natural heat of the desert sun.
Warm air keeps the dates dry and prepare them for dehydration. Fresh dates are transferred into crates for safe transport. With drying complete, the dates now move into precision mechanical processing. Under bright inspection lights, workers examine color, shine, and texture.
Powerful water jets remove dust, sand, and debris collected during harvest.
Approved dates now move into the cleaning section, where preparation begins.
Crates are stacked and secured for the journey ahead.
Seeds drop into a dedicated collection line for recycling.
Hour by hour, moisture escapes and flavor concentrates.
Advanced air jets remove anything that fails to meet premium standards. A vibrating table loosens and spreads the dates for precision sorting. High-speed air dries each date, preparing them for detailed sorting. Cooling brings the temperature down so the fruit retains its structure. Only soft, seedless dates continue forward. A light polishing mist enhances the natural shine of the fruit.
Human inspection ensures nothing escapes quality control.
Every part of the fruit is used. Nothing goes to waste. Precision blades create a uniform shape suitable for packaging. Slow tumbling creates a uniform, appealing finish. UV treatment ensures every date is microbiologically safe. Multiple distribution lanes keep the workflow smooth and constant. Each portion is measured precisely to match packaging requirements. Prepared and perfected, the dates approach their final form.
Human vision remains the final judge before sealing.
A final air clean guarantees spotless presentation. Precision filling ensures each tray contains the ideal portion. With processing complete, the premium dates are ready for sealing. Perfectly processed dates now enter the packaging line, where precision matters most. A gentle vibration ensures every tray is evenly balanced. Automation grips each tray with exact pressure and flawless timing. A protective sealing film prepares to lock in freshness. Even with advanced machines, human quality checks remain essential. Heat sealing creates a perfect airtight barrier. preserving flavor and texture. As the trays cool, the dates inside remain untouched and protected. Robotic precision ensures every box is filled with care and consistency. Every box is engineered for strength during transport. The safety scan ensures each package is contaminant-free.
Organized lanes prepare boxes for pallet stacking.
Robotic stacking creates perfect shipping-ready pallets. Tight wrapping protects the dates during long-distance transportation.
With packaging complete, the dates are ready for storage and global delivery. Once packaged, the dates are stored in climate-controlled facilities to maintain freshness.
Temperature and humidity are adjusted to keep each date at perfect quality.
Every pallet is digitally tracked for precise inventory and traceability.
Automation ensures the right shipment reaches the right destination.
Each pallet is positioned with care to prevent damage during travel.
From the heart of the desert to cities across the world, premium dates begin their journey. At distribution hubs, dates are sorted once more for regional deliveries. Packaged dates are prepared for their final trip to market shelves.
A secure seal ensures the shipment remains untouched until arrival.
Temperature-controlled trucks prepare to transport the dates worldwide. Shipments move through dedicated routes designed for fast and safe delivery.
Soon, these premium dates will reach homes, kitchens, and celebrations around the world.
From palm tree to package, each date is crafted with care.
Behind every premium date stands a team dedicated to quality.
Modern technology and traditional craftsmanship merge to create excellence.
And it all begins where nature provides the sweetest gift.
Dates that started high on a palm tree, now ready to be enjoyed.
Join us again for another journey inside the world's most fascinating factories.